Hi, welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to make a kayak more stable. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaks are small, lightweight boats that are traditionally paddled using a double-bladed paddle. Kayaks are very stable compared to other types of boats, but they can still tip over if you're not careful. There are a few things you can do to make your kayak even more stable. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, what do we call kayak stability? Number 2, can we control kayak stability? Number 3, recommended products. Number 4, what is called kayak tip over? Number 5, can we avoid kayak tip over? And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.